Fish Tinola Virgin Beach Style is the title of our Virgin Beach Cebu vlog number 53. Hello everybody, I'm Ron Perry, and along with my wife Faye Perry are the owners of Virgin Beach Resort, Malbago, Daanbantayan, Cebu, Philippines. We're in California, but dreaming of being there at the resort. We have an a la carte menu in our restaurant, and under the soup section is a Fish Tinola, and this is 150 pesos, and this video will show how we make it. We hope you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and share.
Today guys, we're gonna cook fish tinola. The ingredients are red bell pepper, tomatoes, the onion, and green pepper. Okay, we have already the ginger. Okay. The onion, green pepper, tomato, and the red bell pepper. Let's add the fish. Simmer for a few minutes. It's done. It is our fish tinola, ready for serve.